Hi girls, it's Digital Femme here. How do I look? I'm all in infrared. I'm so excited for you guys. Did you know that today, when you guys were playing on that 100, I think it's bigger than 100 square feet. I don't know, you have to ask Patrick. But that 100 square foot maze that you guys are playing with your Sphero Balls and controlling it with your iPads, that was the first time anybody's ever played with it. So you girls were the first ones ever, and that's like amazing. I hope you all got to take a picture with it, and if you didn't, make sure you did so you can like share it with your friends on Snapchat, and don't forget to hashtag BrainTech Robotics. Our turn now. I'm STEMtastic. I really wish I could be there, but I'm not, because I'm in here. I work with Patrick and Vicky. We help develop and bring workshops just like the ones you had today all over Toronto to young girls like you. We want to be able to also bring in the boys, but you know what? Let's just like hold on a minute. Let's just keep it like to us. Let's just keep it like to the girls. Do you know what I mean? The plan is that we would use Downsview Hub's Wi-Fi, and then we can have like a normal conversation. You ask me questions, I ask you questions, and we'll be talking like this. However, due to technology, the Wi-Fi I heard at the place that you're at, isn't that amazing? So we decided that I'll just give you a little video shout out. What we really want to know is, what did you girls think about it? What did you learn? Did you have fun? What do you think we could have done to have made it even better? Let us know. And the way we want you to let us know is, we want you to grab your iPhones or your sister's iPhone or your mom's iPhone or your dad's iPhone. Grab an iPhone, and we want you to record 20-second, 15 seconds, 30-second little clip on what you thought about BrainTech Robotics. And you send it to us. How are you going to send it to us? That's a good question. Get your older sister, brother, or your mom and dad, or your aunt, or your uncle, or your grandma, whoever brought you there. Get them, after you recorded it on their iPhone or Android phone or Samsung or whatever, get them to get Patrick Maniz's phone number, and then they can text the little video clip. You can do it through WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. What we really want is, we want to know from your own words what you thought about today. Anyway, I better go. Now don't forget to do that video shout out and use the hashtags BrainTech Robotics, Our Turn Now, and I'm STEMtastic. Bye!